Our number one goal is to save as many lives as possible, and we can do that by protecting our healthcare workers while they're providing excellent care for our patient population. Those face shields will protect the eyes, nose, and mouth of our healthcare workers from any sort of airborne particles entering their bodies.
A large number of 3D printers out in the community have started to coordinate their efforts, centralize all of the headband supplies, and then create completed units so that we can deliver them to the healthcare workers.
I think a lot of these community partnerships that we're forming right now will be lifelong partnerships. The community has really risen to a whole new level of support for our healthcare workers.
It's really heartwarming to see the response and the amazing sort of contributions of a broad range of folks that are in the community. And it's not just around face shields, it's happening around gowns and other protective equipment.